Alright, let's clear something up. Most people aren't actually using their Temu coupon codes correctly, and that's why they think the codes don't work. But the truth is, the code works if you activate it the right way. So let's fix that step by step. First things first, I've put the working Temu coupon code right here on the screen, and you'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with a few bonus codes Temu is currently rotating. If your old code isn't applying, one of these will work. Now here's the part people get wrong. Step 1, you must enter the code from the correct section. Don't paste it in search. Don't paste it in the wrong box at checkout. Open the Temu app, tap U, tap coupons, then hit redeem. That's where the code actually activates. If you paste it anywhere else, Temu ignores it, which is why yours probably hasn't been working. Step 2. Codes only apply to eligible items. Temu loves rotating categories. Sometimes a code only applies to electronics, or home items, or new users, or orders over a certain amount. If your cart doesn't match the requirement, Temu quietly blocks the code. Step 3. Your account may already be tagged. If you've used Temu before, some codes won't trigger. But here's the fix. Log out, use a fresh device, fresh email, or a friend's number, reopen Temu, redeem the code again. It works instantly on a clean account. Step 4. Check your coupon wallet. Once a code is applied, the discount won't show automatically. You need to tap the coupon in your wallet to attach it to your order before checkout. Try the code on screen now and drop a comment telling me whether it applied, because I keep updating the working ones for 2025.